Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2021, on a 21 plate Audi A1 Technik. This is the 1 litre turbocharged petrol with a 5-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in shell white, and it's covered just 25,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around of this new shape Audi A1, first one of this newer breed that we've had into stock, and it's an impressive little car. Really looks a cool thing from the front. 5-door practicality. This is a March 2021 registered car, 25,000 miles. It's had just the one private owner from brand new, so it's not been a lease car or a hire car or anything like that. One private owner with a full Audi main dealer service history, 3 services at the Audi main agent. It was on a plan, so properly well maintained right the way through its life. Got those lovely 15-inch alloy wheels that are in pretty well perfect condition. The whole car's in excellent shape, as you'd expect. Just 3.5 years old. £190 a year to tax, as with all cars of this age. 60 plus miles to the gallon on a combined run according to Audi, so really economical. 95 brake horsepower, so it goes nicely, and sensible insurance group as well, so very practical day to day, very economical to run, looks the part, Audi badge, and this is the Technik model, so it's got a excellent level of spec. As we have a look inside, cloth seats all in excellent shape as you'd expect. All the door cards in good shape. Remote central locking. It does come supplied with 2 remote keys, 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable heated and power folding door mirrors. It's got its original carpet mats, automatic lights up onto the steering wheel. It's got a virtual cockpit, which is always nice on these newer cars. Virtual display, 25,000 miles. You've got controls for your radio, Bluetooth. You've got your trip computer. Down below we've got your cruise control with speed limiter, lane assist, a couple of cup holders, manual handbrake, funky little manual steering wheel, and down below we've got some storage, a couple of USB inputs, a 12-volt socket, start-stop facility, which of course you can switch off. Up above, air conditioning. It's a very straightforward setup. In the glove box, all your bits and bobs, and then up onto your nice touchscreen infotainment system. All touchscreen, of course, and you can swipe left, swipe right. You've got Apple Carplay, Android Auto, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth for your telephone, all your car settings and trip computer and so on. Really nice, straightforward Volkswagen Audi setup. Into the rear, plenty of space. Electric windows in the back as well. 3 headrests with 3 proper seat belts, and of course ISOFIX for the child seats, so they are comfortable 5-seaters. Really good looking little car. I like the angles, quite sharp angles, which suits my eye anyway. Parcel shelf at the top, split folding rear seats, and then actually a really good sized boot space considering this is the smallest Audi in the range. Really usable, not much of a lip to negotiate, and then that lifts up and gives you your inflation kit and compressor, and there is actually some more space in there if you wanted to utilise that as well. So there we have it, March 2021 Audi A1 Technik, 1 litre petrol, 95 brake horsepower, 25,000 miles, 1 private owner, full Audi main dealer service history, 60 plus miles to the gallon, nice low insurance group, ticks a lot of boxes. Finance is available on a PCP deal on this one because the car's only 3 years old. 10% deposit would leave you just over £250 a month at 11.9% APR, obviously subject to terms and conditions and so on. So really affordable on the finance. A very modern car for £250 a month. It will come supplied with a fresh advisory free MOT along with 2 keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. and we do work on an appointment-only basis. So if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Really sharp looking little thing, Audi badge, a very good value way into the prestige market. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.